Hi students, welcome to Easy Chemistry by Pathan, and today I am going to explain the important concept in organic chemistry, number of hybrid orbitals and pure orbitals calculation. If a formula is given, then how to calculate number of hybrid and pure orbitals for competitives within 1 minute. And they are asking questions based on this also. We'll discuss. Number of hybrid orbitals equal to, means this formula is given, number of hybrid orbital, how to calculate? Very simple. Sum of all hybrid orbitals on all atoms. On all atoms. This is the formula. How to calculate hybrid orbitals? Sum of all hybrid orbitals on all atoms. This is the formula you have to remember. If you remember this formula, then easy. Number of hybrid orbitals equal to sum of all hybrid orbitals on all atoms. This is the formula you have to remember. Now, number of pure orbitals. Number of pure orbitals. How to calculate or how to address number of pure orbitals? Number of pure orbitals equal to, we have a simple formula, that is number of atoms other than carbon plus 2 into pi bonds, means 2 into number of pi bonds. This is the formula you have to remember. What's the formula? Number of atoms other than carbon plus 2 into pi bonds. If you remember this formula, then easy. With examples I will explain now. No need to any worry. Example number 1. I am taking C2H6. C2H6. The question is, calculate the ratio of hybrid and pure orbitals. So what we have to calculate? Ratio of hybrid and pure orbitals we have to calculate. Go for here. First C2H6 structure. This is C2H6 means ethane. Structure is ethane single bond. This is the structure of ethane. Now we have to go for hybridization of each carbon. All single bonds now. That's why single bond is there, means sp3 hybridization. sp3, this carbon This carbon also sp3. sp3 hybridization means how many hybrid orbitals? 3 p orbital, 1 s orbital, 4. And here 4. What is the formula? Sum of all hybrid orbitals on all atoms. So here 4, here 4. So now hybrid orbitals equal to 4 plus 4, that is equal to 8. 8 hybrid orbitals are present in ethene. Next, number of pure orbitals. What is the formula? Number of atoms other than carbon. So, other than carbon, number of atoms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hydrogens plus 2 into pi bonds. So, here pi bonds not there. 0, that equal to 6. So, pure orbital 6. That implies ratio of hybrid orbitals and pure orbitals. How many hybrid orbitals? 8. Pure orbitals 6. That equal to 2 4s are 8, 2 3. So 4:3 is the ratio of hybrid and pure orbitals. Go for another example I am giving. Example number 2. Example number 2. C2H4. Ratio of hybrid and pure orbitals. We have to calculate hybrid and pure orbitals. So then you go same method. Look here, C2H4. C2H4 nothing but ethene. Formula structure C double bond C, 2 hydrogen of each carbon. This is the structure of ethene. See each carbon hybridization. What is the hybridization? Double bond sp2 and this is sp2. Both are sp2 only because double bonded carbon. Now sp2 means 2p orbital, 1s orbital, 3 hybrid orbital and here 3 hybrid orbital. Now hybrid orbitals are 3 plus 3 equal to 6. Now pure orbitals equal to, what is the formula? Number of atoms other than carbon. Other than carbon 4 hydrogens are there. 4 we have here plus 2 into pi bonds. Here double bond is there now. 1 sigma 1 pi. That equal to 4 plus 2, that equal to 6. 6 hybrid orbitals and 6 pure orbitals. They are asking ratio 6 by 6, that equal to 1:1. So 1:1. And this is the method to calculate pure and hybrid orbitals. Pure and hybrid orbitals. I will go for one more example for your better understanding. Example number 3. What is the ratio of hybrid and pure orbitals in ethane? This is the question is given to you and you need now ethane formula. Ethane is a alkyne with 2 carbon, C2H2. Structure is iron triple bond, C triple bond C, and two hydrogens, one hydrogen and one hydrogen. This is the structural formula or formula structure. Now hybridization, triple bond sp, and this is also triple bond sp. Single bond is there, sp3, double bond is there, sp2, triple bond is there, sp. And now you go, sp means how many orbitals? 1s, 1p means 2 orbitals. Here also 2. Now number of hybrid orbitals. Hybrid orbitals equal to 2 plus 2, that equal to 4. 4 hybrid orbitals we got. 4 hybrid orbitals. Now you go for pure orbitals. Pure orbitals equal to, what is the formula? Other than carbon atom means hydrogens. 2 hydrogens plus 2 into we have formula. Here I given already. Pure orbitals equal to number of atoms other than carbon plus 2 into pi bonds. 2 into pi bonds. 2 into pi bonds. 2 into pi bonds. Triple bond is there. This is triple bond. 1 sigma. 2 pi bonds as we learned. 2 pi bonds, that equal to 2 plus 4, that equal to 6. Now ratio, hybrid orbitals are 4 and pure orbitals are 6. 2:3 ratio. 2:3 ratio. So in ethyl, ratio of hybrid and pure orbitals are 2:3. And now one more question I am giving. Ratio of hybrid and pure orbitals in benzene is clear. In benzene, how many hybrid and pure orbitals are present? As you know very well, benzene formula C6H6. This is aromatic compound. Clear? And if it is aromatic compound, we have to go for conjugated system, cyclic. The structure of benzene you know very well. This is the structure with the 6 carbon, alternative double bond. Conjugated system. Each carbon having double bond. That's why this is sp2. This is sp2. All carbon atoms undergo sp2 hybridization. 6 carbons into sp2 hybridization means 3 hybrid orbital, that equal to 18. So hybrid orbitals are 18. And pure orbitals. What is the pure orbitals ratio? You go for pure orbitals ratio. Other than hydrogen means other than carbon, 6 hydrogens are there. 6 hydrogen. 6 plus 2 into pi bonds. 1, 2, 3. 3 pi bonds. That equal to 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 how much? 12. So pure orbitals are 12. This is hybrid orbitals and this is pure orbitals. In benzene we have 18 hybrid orbitals and 12 pure orbitals. So the ratio is hybrid orbitals upon pure orbitals 18 by 12. 18 by 12 nothing but 3:2. So in benzene, pure and hybrid orbitals ratio is 3:2. So you learn already with 4 examples. 4 examples. In ethane, 4:3. In ethene, 1:1. And in ethyl, and you have 2:3. In benzene, 3:2. So whatever it may be the formula, molecular formula given, you have to remember that number of hybrid orbitals equal to sum of all hybrid orbitals on all atoms. Number of pure orbitals equal to number of atoms other than carbon plus 2 into number of pi bonds. Number of pi bonds. Clear? And like this you can go for any atom easily ratio of hybrid and pure orbital. Still, if you have any difficulty, make a comment. I will solve your problem. Thank you.